welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extend recording time on YouTube TV. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. In reality, you don't have to do anything for it. First of all, you will have to come on YouTube TV and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now, in order to extend recording time, first of all, you will have to add your programs into your library. And to do that, you will have to either click on this plus icon or you can click on the three dots here and you can add your favorite shows or your favorite programs to the library. Now, once you add them in your library, you don't need to do you don't need to do anything for it because YTTV will automatically extend the recording for you. In the rare case it doesn't, you can report the recording in the app and they will take care of it pretty quickly. So basically it will do the recording on its own, so you don't have to do anything about it. However, if you are facing any kind of problem in regard to it, or if you want to get more insight about it or more information about it, you can simply contact with the YouTube customer service executive. And if you don't know how you can do it, I have created a detailed video on this topic as well, so you can check that out video on my channel. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.